Hi, this is Ruchi Saxena from Robotics. Airwards has successfully identified some of the most impactful organizations and people in the drone industry. The entries this year were a perfect balance of technical expertise and social impact. I'm now going to announce the winner of the category Emergency Response and Search and Rescue in the Giving Back group. And the winner is Zipline for the submission COVID vaccine distribution across Ghana. Congratulations!
Hi, I'm Ryan Oxenhorn, Head of Software and founding team member at Zipline, the world leader in autonomous instant delivery. Thank you for naming Zipline as this year's Emergency Response winner for our delivery of COVID-19 vaccines in Ghana. I'm really proud that Zipline has enabled Ghana's Ministry of Health to deliver over 1 million doses across the country. It's an honor to be recognized for our role in the world's global vaccination campaign.